Okay, we got a big one to take apart. I should have weighed this thing. I don't know. It's got to weigh 1,000 pounds. I have no idea. We'll see what's inside. Fun to start the wrong way first and figure out how to do it. Copper. It is not your head. Solid. Oh, maybe that's copper. Yeah. Oh. Huh. There we go. That's a big day. That's solid copper. Yeah, the other ones were hollow. Yeah, that's 5 pounds at least. That's, I don't know, 3. I don't know. Yeah, that's way better. That's winning. Oh, yeah, that's 20 pounds later. Winning. Well, that's what you like, empty. This was a big win. This is solid copper. It's crazy. This one's solid. These are completely hollow. And these, yeah, we'll get these weighed, but that's solid copper. That's a win. We got to take all those buckets apart and throw the rest away in the pile anyway. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Yeah, that was a nice present at the end. I thought they were going to be hollow. I don't know what that is. We'll wait up here. Okay. Aluminum, we got a whopping 3.15 pounds. Aluminum. Okay, that's the hollow ones. 4.45 pounds and number 2 copper. All right, that's good. 4.45 pounds. Yeah, 4.5 pounds of copper with the solid one. Yeah, okay, so 13.4, not 4 pounds, that's 18 pounds of copper out of that. That was good. That made it nicer on the end. And then these guys, that weighs 13.2 pounds. And, you know, I don't remember how many there were. I don't have to count 9 or so. You know, those little contacts there are copper. Those are copper, the fuse holders. Those are brass. Most of those are still on the fuses. We got some wire in here. These things are pretty difficult to take apart. There's not much in there. There's some contactors in there. We'll get some of it off. But really, you're looking at maybe all together one box. It's a pound of copper, because I forgot coming out the back. It's these guys, and they add up to, I bet there's a pound of copper. We'll find out. So we'll start taking those apart. 13.2 pounds. Let's say 10% of this is copper. We'll try that. Okay, those little silver pieces are 0.2 pounds, so. Okay, 0.1. Yeah, this thing weighs about 0.1. And it's probably only a third of that, so not much, but just a little bit of silver. Okay, those are our brass pieces, 0.8. Okay, this is the copper pieces, 1.1, so 1 pound of copper. A whopping 0.7 of the coated wire. So yeah, all that's times 11, so 11 pounds of copper, you know, 7.7 times 11. 7 pounds of copper probably there, so 17. And then, you know, about 10 pounds of brass, I guess. So it'll add up if we get them all done, but that took me over an hour. So yeah, we'll streamline that again sometime. Also forgot to weigh that grounding bar we got stripped. 2.7 pounds of copper there, so that adds up. We'll get a total. Well, I want to see what they need fuses. Somebody told me there might be silver in the fuse. I know that sand is in there. I assume these little ones are copper. Yeah, just copper in this one. Huh. Then these ends are copper. Well, I kept digging. You see that? I don't know if this little piece is silver or not. I just got that and it's shiny. Could be aluminum. And so copper. You'd think that'd burn first. Versus that must be aluminum. It must be the gauge you need for whatever that was. However many amp. I'm guessing that's aluminum.